Hi Annapurna,
Hello, ma'am.
how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, I'm good. This is Divya from Quality Department. Today I want to take a feedback video from your side.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, before starting that, congratulations for your placements, Annapurna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, can you introduce yourself about your college?
Yes, ma'am. My name is Annapurna Andi and I am from Raichur district, ma'am. Presently, I am at Jainagar 7th block and I completed my graduate engineering in Basaveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkote, ma'am.
Have you got to know about CMTI Institute?
One of my friend was taking training in this institute, ma'am. So from her, I got to know about interior designing training.
Okay, that's nice. For which course you have joined for?
I am joined for IDM plus BIM course, ma'am. Interior
Okay.
design.
In interior design management, what are the new topics you have learned? How the course helped you to build up your career?
I learned about standard dimensions about interiors, ma'am. Then I learned about materials, procurement. I have visited many site visits, ma'am. There I got to know about the materials.
What are the site visits you have covered? The site and the showroom visits.
I have covered IKEA, ma'am, IBO, Material Depot, Pepperfly, Furnishing Forum, next Trusty Interiors for a factory process, ma'am.
Okay. What are the major difference you can find out with the theory classes and the practical? What are things which helped you out?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದು ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ರಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದ್ರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
Okay. How was your interview preparation? How you started preparing yourself for the interviews?
One day before I started, I gave self introduction in front of other batches, ma'am, in institute only. After that, at home, I learned about the notes which have been given by Tamil Mani sir, Richard sir, and all. Then I completed.
Okay. How was the round in the company? What are the rounds you have attended?
There were two rounds, ma'am. First round was about only self introduction, ma'am. Second round about technical questions and aptitude questions.
Now, for which profile you have selected for?
Trainee procurement profile.
Okay. How was the trainer's support when your sessions were going on? How the trainers helped you out?
It was good, ma'am. If we have any doubts, they clarified there only, ma'am.
Okay. Finally, what you want to say to your friends and juniors about your placement and about CMTI Institute?
It was a good experience, ma'am. If anyone wants to join this company institute, I will say yes, ma'am.
Okay, Annapurna, thank you for your feedback. Have a bright future. Congratulations for your placements.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.